As a dad who set up a cellular Apple Watch for my oldest son to keep in touch before he got a phone, I know how useful and sometimes frustrating watches as phones can be for kids. It's convenient and more distraction-free to use a phone-enabled watch for daily communications from a distance, and it eliminates concerns about losing a phone. That's why I was thrilled Google's new Fitbit-branded kid watch, the Fitbit Ace LTE, comes with cellular connectivity. For $230, this is pretty much the perfect Apple Watch alternative for kids. Dad who set up a cellular Apple Watch for my oldest son to keep in touch before he got a phone. Or, I should say, almost. My younger 11-year-old son was thrilled to wear and test the Fitbit Ace LTE. He doesn't have a phone yet, and he's loved previous Fitbits for their daily step-tracking goals, which motivated him to take long walks and get more active. He's been wearing the Ace LTE for nearly a month now. In that time, he's kept it with him almost constantly. He tracks his steps and activities and plays little games as a reward, but not too much that it becomes a distraction. He's called me from walks, while at the pool and from downstairs to say hi. But he wants to add his friends so he can call them. The Fitbit Ace LTE has a hard time with that, I'll explain.